Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the true moonwalk. Okay, so the right way to do the moonwalk, if you want to learn it fast and simple, is just stand and do the still moonwalk, the same position. Okay, so you have to use your right leg and have this stick to the ground, just 90 degree like this, a little bit. Okay, so move it backward. Okay, you push it up, you push it down, and then you slide the left leg, the left foot behind. Okay, so again, for this one, you push it and slide, push it and slide, push it and slide, push it and slide. Okay, so you see here. Okay, so uh, so you keep moving like this. And remember, because I see many like I just dancer teach without moving the neck. Okay, so you have to take it like the neck here, like a total neck. Okay, you see. Ah, 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 ah. So as you can see, you feel the movement, and just like you're walking like this, but the shoulder is very natural. Okay, so the shoulder, you have to do the shoulder forward and backward, okay, so for the sliding, so we do the moonwalk here. So after you practice standing still and do the moonwalk, you must sliding behind. So the secret of sliding behind, you have to take the same position step to the next level. You kick, you kick here, okay? Okay. You kick here, right? Kick, 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 kick. Okay. So, okay, okay. So here we go. Okay. So when you do like this, okay. So you can slide backwards. Okay, slide backward here. Okay. So if you slide here, you don't move it back here. You just stay still like this, and then after that you use the right foot slide. Okay, so there's a force here, you go to stand very firmly. Okay, backward. Okay, so here you can see is the switch position. So right now the right foot is the one that stands still. Okay, so and then you use this one, and then you slide. Okay, okay, and then you use the left one, you slide the right one behind. Okay, so see, it's all about the balance, the force balance. Okay, so the right arm, okay, so use this with full force. Okay, slide it back here. Okay, so and then you use this one to have the force, and then you slide here. Okay, so then you put backwards. Okay, backward. Okay, so okay, over here, 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, 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 1 2 1 2 2. Okay, so you see, so let's go with this one. Okay, so the right one here, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so when you do it smoothly, you can add the shoulder here, and shoulder shoulder. And when you move the shoulder, it's like this. If you have your foot backwards, and then your right shoulder forward. Okay. Ha. Okay. Ha. 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 Okay. So you see the miracle of the moonwalk. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So that's how the moonwalk is created. And then you add the total neck. Okay. So see, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 2. Okay. So that's it. That's the moonwalk tutorial, the ultimate moonwalk tutorial. Okay, so I really hope that you can do it, to master it. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.